I'm Private First Class Elva Karzova.
And this is a camouflage paint tutorial. First color we put is black on our forehead, chin, nose, jawline, because these are the lightest places of face. Now we're going on to the green one. With the green one, we actually break the contours of a face. Here, the jawline is a really big contour, and maybe a little bit of forehead. We need to break contours because there are no sharp edges in nature. The main mistake is forgetting your ears and your neck. Next up, we go to the brown to blend everything out. So when you're done, you shouldn't have any white spots on your face. When I've done all this, I can use the environment and my surroundings to my advantage.